We are going to introduce the installation of this equipment today. This equipment is an anti-yellowing aging test chamber. We are now ready to connect the power. The anti-yellowing aging test chamber operates on a 220-volt power supply. There are 3 wires here. This one is the ground wire. These 2 wires are the neutral wire and the live wire respectively. Connect them to the air switch. Just connecting the live wire and the neutral wire is sufficient. After connecting the power supply, let's test the device's functions. Press here to turn on the power. The power indicator light here will light up, and the temperature control switch here will also light up. Next, we will introduce the device's functions. This is the temperature controller. This is used to control the device's temperature. This is the timer. Now we turn on the timer. Set the timer for the desired duration. Time here can be set in minutes or hours. Simply click here to complete the setting. That's it. Put this cover on. When the set time is up, this machine will stop automatically. If timing is not needed, we can turn off the timing function. This is the heating switch. This heating switch has 2 groups. If you want the temperature to rise faster, you can simply turn on both groups of heating switches. This way, the device will heat up quickly. This is the light control switch used during the yellowing resistance test. There are light lamps here. Install the light lamp inside the test chamber first. Then turn on this switch, and the inside will light up. Later we'll install the light lamp first. Then we'll give it a test. Here is the turntable switch. We can turn it on to check. Now the turntable is rotating inside. This device comes with 2 partition shelves as standard configuration. This is one of them. You can hang them directly inside. That's all set. There are 2 pieces. When using this, you can remove the turntable. If you need the turntable, we can install it when conducting the yellowing resistance test. Here's a light lamp right here. Take this lamp out. Align this lamp with the lamp holder inside the test chamber. Rotate it to install it. Once the lamp is turned on and then turned off, it cannot be turned on immediately. It has a delay function and a lamp protection feature. Here, let's explain the device's temperature settings in detail. Here you can set the temperature you want. For example, we can set the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius now. Press the setting button once. Here it will flash. Here are the directional keys. Here are the temperature up and down keys. Increase it to 50 degrees Celsius. Then press here. The temperature is all set. Once the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, it will maintain that temperature. Here is the timing function. Turn on the timer. Press here once. The timer setting requires the temperature to reach the set value first, then it will activate automatically. Now set the temperature set point to 40 degrees Celsius. Then turn on this button. When the temperature reaches 40 degrees Celsius, the timer will activate and start counting automatically. Reset the set point to 35 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius, the system will automatically maintain a constant temperature. Currently, the timer is set for 1 hour. When the time is up, the entire machine will shut down automatically.